grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, today we have another daily market update. We have a lot to cover. We're going to first go over 5 altcoins that I believe are going to be amazing going into 2022. And I'm going to give an expanded version. I did this video on my TikTok, but I'm going to give an expanded version and actually tell you in words why I think these. So we have Bitcoin at 60,000, I wish, 48,497. We did see after the Federal Reserve conference thing, we did see a little bit of a pump there. This was that pump right here. Let's go to 1 hour, we can see it better. This pump right here, as soon as it ended, like basically while it was on, Bitcoin started heading back up a little bit. But like the whole market was just waiting on that. That's what I see. Ethereum pumped right back up above 4,000. Yesterday it was at like 3,600, I believe. So let's start off with 5 altcoins that I believe are going to be great for 2022. The first one is Solana. I think that they're really going to push the narrative that Solana is going to flip Ethereum. I swear they're going to push that narrative. The only thing is, I think Ethereum in the future is going to flip Bitcoin. So maybe Solana will flip Bitcoin once Bitcoin's in second place. Now, those are radical ideas, right? Any like Bitcoin maxi would be like, what are you talking about? But I'm talking about the truth, okay? Bitcoin has nothing to offer compared to something like Solana or Ethereum. So I'm bullish on Solana up to like $1,000, I swear. They're gonna push this. Like, I don't hold any Solana right now, but they are gonna push this one. Then I'm bullish on Ethereum for 2022 because the triple halvening, the merge, the Ethereum 2.0, moving from proof of work to proof of stake, the issuance cliff, all of that amazing stuff that we've talked about. If you don't know what that is, go to ultrasound.money on Google, and you can scroll down here and read these Q&A, and you'll be mind blown for ETH in 2022. Bullish on that. XRP, of course, potential lawsuit win. There's a nice risk reward potential here, and the banking system doesn't care whether it's a bull or bear market. So if this gets mainstream adoption and use, meaning like actually a ton of banks using this as a bridge currency, then that can happen in a bear market. Like, that can really happen in a bear market. Hedera Hashgraph, we've covered so much of how they're going to use that $5 billion HBAR Foundation fund to develop the ecosystem in 2022. Dude, I'm telling you, I can't wait to say that I was bullish from 3 cents all the way to, I'm thinking it's gonna go insane, man. Like, the sky is the limit for HBAR. QNT, we've also seen crazy stuff start to develop in 2022. Like, there's gonna be a lot of stuff in 2022. Once again, financial system barely cares if it's a bull or bear market. Okay, these are kind of detached, right? So let's look at the rest of the altcoins. Take a look at that. All green today. We've got Curve DAO. Look at Curve DAO heading back up here. I'm super bullish on Curve DAO still. I told you, I think it was back here, and we did have a small run up, but that's nothing. Curve DAO, definitely bullish on that. We've got Radix up 21%. Everything is pumping pretty nicely right now. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, we're still below bull market support band right here, right? Money flow still in the red on the daily right here. We have those 2 spider eye dots just still sitting there. We have not had any real action to the upside yet from those 2 dots. Wow, that's interesting. When I change from Heiken SG to normal, the dot goes away. That's crazy. But so far, we have not came down to this $40,000 support here. Are we going to do that? We still literally could. We still could. Once again, I believe in that the cycles have lengthened and that we can see a real top for Bitcoin in 2022. So I'm just holding on, right? Hold on. There's a secret message being presented to you, and that is that we are leaving Bitcoin behind. I think I saw Brian Ross say that exact thing. The market is giving you a secret message saying that Bitcoin's time is up. It is time for altcoins. It is time for revolutionary new technologies. Bitcoin is Napster. Hedera is Spotify. Even XRP is Spotify, coming to usurp the whole entire thing. Now, let's talk about QNT. We've been tracking this chart pretty well right here. We can see on the 12-hour, so we've put in a couple new data points on the 12-hour, right? Because, 12, probably 24 hours have passed. So that means we get 2 more data points. But take a look at this. Money flow is still basically looking like it's going to tell us when that fourth quarter is, okay? The fourth quarter of this money flow could be way down here, right? And that's what I was saying before is this thing. Oh my, I just cleared my entire drawing over here. I was saying before, this money flow indicator, it's good when we get into that fourth quarter of it. So if we go on the daily, we're still thick. We're still into the thick of it over here. But I still believe in this seller exhaustion right here. Definitely marked by those yellow X's, right? Over here, we didn't have seller exhaustion, but as we continue to go down, as they continue to push it down, which it looks like, honestly, the manipulation kind of started like over here, right? My thing is they always like FUD the coin and then push it down even more with manipulation. But I mean, the X indicators on the 12-hour only start there, right? There's no daily X's here except 3 down there, which we're 1 away from actually seller exhaustion on the daily. But we can see every time that we go up, we get a reversal signal. It is so annoying. Look, boom. The purple triangle or the blue triangle is a reversal signal. So you can see this is uptrend. We get a reversal printed on this candle, and we start reversing. Over here, boom. Like, we get one every single time. Can we not get one? Can we go up and not get one? But that is what we're looking like on that. Let's see where that RSI has came to. We see we're at 52 here, okay? So I was pointing out that one resistance line, which is right here at 61. And it looks like we came down. We did exactly what I said. Go look at the previous video. But QNT's looking good. I think we're gonna have some upside on QNT. Long-term hold. I don't care about the short-term action. Okay, XDC. We have a pump on XDC happening right now, okay? I don't know if there's any news, but we have went from 6 cents all the way to 9 cents, okay? So take your profit on XDC if you want to. This might continue to run. This is another one that should not care about bull or bear market. It is involved with making a new financial system. Now, speaking of new financial system, while we are all distracted, I have been given this amazing website. Shout out to the person who sent me this. I can't remember your name right now, but they DM'd me this on Instagram. By the way, make sure you follow on Instagram. My username is right up there. Up there. But we can see this is tracking the CBDCs. This is called cbdctracker.org. And look at this. As we're all distracted by crypto, they are slowly implementing new research. So the green is research. The yellow is pilot programs. The purple is proof of concept. The blue is launched. So basically the Bahamas have launched their sand dollar. And then Nigeria has launched the e-Naira. And this is coming for all of these, bro. You can do research on here. You can click these and actually go and see, what's going on with this. You can read about it. You can see the announcements. Amazing website. Now, we have this from Stefan right here, basically showing that all counsel must meet with Ripple for at least 1 hour to discuss settlement within 14 days following the close of fact discovery. So I don't know, when is fact discovery over, right? January 14, 2022, people are saying. So January 14. So if we go to January 14, 2022, then within 14 days of that, they must meet up and discuss settlement. Very crazy right there. Now, let's talk about the Federal Reserve meeting that the whole market was kind of waiting on. Powell says he doesn't see cryptocurrencies as a financial stability concern. We had the decision to leave interest rates unchanged and double the size of the taper to 30 billion per month. So what I noticed in the oh man, we should have went over this H-bar chart. But what I noticed from the Fed conference thing, I watched it live on YouTube. He's realistic and he's not bearish. Jerome Powell was realistic. He was basically telling the market exactly what they want to hear. Okay, he was not that bearish, meaning like he didn't say stuff to piss off the market. They didn't want to rug pull the market because they could. Everyone waits for what Jerome has to say. If Jerome Powell from the Fed says something bad, immediately the freaking market's going to get rug pulled. So, okay, let's go over this H-bar chart from Credible Crypto. We tracked the last one. You can remember the last one. He has now hit his targets on this, right? He hit his targets saying the first target has been met. He expects 30 cents in the bag over the coming week. So we'll see if that plays out. 30-cent H-bar over the next week. If you bought at 22 cents, you're going to be in good standing. Russian central bank is seeking to ban investment on cryptocurrencies. Come on, bro. I swear this is on a schedule. It's like, oh, China, okay. They all coordinate it. Like, yo, China, January 4, are you banning all crypto? Okay, Russia, we'll get it on January 7. We'll ban all crypto. Come on, man. So banning it for all the same reasons. There's literally nothing to say new right here. They're banning it for all the same BS reasons. Now, the U.S. Senate has confirmed a new CFTC chair, Rostin Benham, as the next chairman of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Really crazy amid a flurry of late evening confirmations. It looks like they're rushing this. So what I'm seeing is a change in power here. A lot of people are getting moved around in these power positions. Very interesting. All we need is the headline on this one. Payment services giants, Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal are seeing crypto as an opportunity. We know this. This article has nothing new. You guys know I like to give you the raw, just truth and fact right away of the article. They're reinstating that we are PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard are in this to stay. Now, Toko, which is a project on Hedera, has issued digital private debt on Hedera with Hex Trust, not Hex Coin, Hex Trust, which is Hex Trust is the Asia's leading digital asset custodian. So we're seeing some revolutionary financial stuff on Hedera right there. Speaking of Hedera, they're also getting into the metaverse. I had never heard of this this project, but Meta VRSE, metaverse right here with VR in the middle. They're getting into it with Hedera, so very interesting right there. It's a partnership. I'm definitely going to check out that project, but H-bar stepping into that metaverse. We have Mike Alfred saying he sold the rest of his Ethereum today for Bitcoin. Just can't justify owning a broken protocol. Look what David Schwartz says. Nobody he knows uses Ethereum. It's too congested. Slight dig at David Schwartz. Slight dig at Ethereum right there. Not really a dig. It's just truth. When does the truth become like a dig, or like a diss? It doesn't, because you're just saying the truth, right? Michael Jordan is making a freaking Solana app called Air or Hair or whatever, how he wants to say that, which is an engagement platform built on the Solana blockchain. Very cool, Web3. Michael Jordan's getting into it, man. I wanted to show you this as well. I found this website called CardanoCube.io. I have to stop talking crap on Cardano. Their ecosystem is actually big. Look, this is all Cardano. This is a message to the XRP community and the HBAR community. Please build a website like this where we can see all of our little tabs like infrastructure, DeFi, NFTs, meme coins built, and we can actually search them. Like, boom, we can just go here and we can search them, and then they have a little nice write-up. Somebody please build this for HBAR so we can just flex like crazy. But I need to start talking crap on Cardano right there. We also have, we're going to end with this funny clip. Blockchain backer quote tweeted, take a look at Nancy Pelosi, what she says about Congress and them actually trading stocks. Watch this.
Insider just completed a 5-month investigation finding that 49 members of Congress and 182 senior congressional staffers have violated the stock.
So he's saying that they've violated the stock law, insider trading law.
To that. And secondly, should members of Congress...
So immediately her mouth gets dry right there, and she freaking just takes a sip of water. And he asks, should members of Congress be banned and their spouses be banned from trading stocks? Watch what she says.
No, I don't know to the second one. We have a responsibility to report in the stock, on the stock, but I'm not familiar with that 5-month review, but if people aren't reporting, they should be. Because this is a free market and we're a free market economy, they should be able to.
Free market economy, great. You're the best stock trader on planet Earth. Nice. We're all copying your portfolio. That is all we've got for the daily market update. Make sure you drop a like, follow on Instagram, Twitter, join the Telegram group. I love every single one of you, and goodbye.